Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to Dog Partridge, the place of fine home craft ales. If you haven't met me before, this is my world famous brother Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dog Partridge.
Hello everyone and welcome.
Hello.
And welcome, big warm welcome to all our subscribers. Here of course, if you haven't, watch this the first time, we brew and serve home brew kits.
Lots of them.
Lots of them. And we've got a full range today across the bar. We've got several beer kits from suppliers in this country, but we're going around the world today. We're going to Germany.
Around the world?
Yeah, Germany and America.
Germans. Right then. So what we start with, Brad?
I'm going to kick off with one from the guys at Shop for Homebrew. They do a dark rock range, and this one is called a Munich Fest.
It comes in a chuffing great big bucket like that, or Munich Fest. Specs on.
Specs on.
Right then, a rounded, smooth and rich full malt flavour beer. A blend of malts perfectly replicate the beer style served at the Oktoberfest. A hint of sweetness and hop aroma give this beer a distinguished character.
There you go.
5%.
5%.
I'll take it this because it's such a big tub. Is a full grain kit.
This is a full grain kit. In there you get a big bag of grain, or 2 bags of grain even sometimes. You do get all your hops already weighed out, measured for you. You just add them at certain times of the board as per the instructions. When it's done that, you chill it down and barrel it and have the yeast.
Lovely. Shall we go for it?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Right, yeah.
How do you say cheers in German? Any idea?
No.
No.
No. Ice fine dries. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
I've just had a slurp, but it's an interesting nose to it.
Yeah, it's a very, like it says, there's a big malty round nose to it, and the flavour is malty again and smooth it says, but there's no real.
You see, now I'm going to disagree with them slightly. I quite like this. It's reminiscent of a nice golden beer, really. There's no super special about it, but you could quite happily just sit outside and drink quite a few of them. You think? Oh, he disagrees.
If this beer replicates the beer styles at the Oktoberfest, I'm going to have
I won't go all that way to drink this, no.
It's very uninspiring in my mind. Okay, it's a nice multi-rounded drink, but it doesn't really leave
for a full
you...
grain kit, there's not that roundedness you want from it, is there?
Yeah, but there's nothing there to like, let's have another one of them. That's really good.
Yeah, I wouldn't rush back to have another. If I was in a pub and buying it, and there was other beers on the bar, I wouldn't rush back to buying this one. On that note, I'll still give it a highly good sort of 8 out of 10, you think?
I'd probably give it an 8 out of 10. It's a good beer, but it's not a very inspirational beer. And obviously this is Germans for you, not very inspiring full stop, are they?
Ooh, the German batches started early. Right. Yeah, for a 5% German beer, it's not blowing me socks off.
Not blowing
but
me
at the
socks
same
off.
time, it's not a bad beer.
Not a bad beer.
No.
It's middle of the road.
Yeah. The Germans, they drive on the wrong side of the road, don't they? So, you know.
Yeah, there you go.
Right out. It's
Right,
ready.
that
Oh, that was the Germans, wasn't it? Right. Are we going to have another beer then, right?
We're going to have another beer. We're still in Germany. We're still in Germany, and we're going for Elsbell's German Pilsner.
Right, here we go then, I think. So, Elsbell's German Pilsner.
I was right.
World Heritage Range. And all these nice kits again, look. One of these boxes here, look.
Another one from the World Heritage Range at Dark Rock Brewing now. Shop for Own Brew. Buy them online, I do, and give them sent to me. And this is a part mash kit.
Okay, so when we say part mash, what does that actually involve, mate?
Oh, that goes, obviously again, that gets your grain in there, big bag of grain, put in your muslin bag, and steep that for 30 minutes, and then you still get in there 2 bags of malt extract to dissolve. Okay. You do, before you add your malt extract, you do boil about 10 litres of water, add some hops to it, and then...
I should have read the box because it tells me it's just got premium brewery, quality malt extract, malt grains, dried hops, beer yeast, bright wort, and beer finings. All in
beer finings, bright wort, all in there.
All in there.
All in there. That's what a kit should be.
And this is a 4.7, a full-bodied, mildly sweet and light-coloured Pilsner with low bitterness. It shares the same spicy hop characters as Czech Pils, but the hops are more subdued, accentuating the flavours of the malts. We'll be doing that.
Oh, so.
The scripture's not knocking me socks off, it has to be said. Right.
Well, here we go then. Is there any nose to it at all?
Oh yeah,
There
actually.
is actually, isn't there?
Oh, that's quite nice. That's inviting. This is through the corny keg. This one, isn't it?
Yes, it's through the corny keg. I'll put this into a corny keg out the back there, put it through the chiller as it comes through into the Guinness pump, like a Pilsner probably would be served.
Already, that's giving it a lot better nose. That's lovely.
That's a lot better now, isn't it?
All right, go for it. Not what I expected, to be honest.
Again,
Not bad.
I'm left deflated. It's not bad, but again, there's hardly anything there to really grab you. There's nothing really
It's
to describe.
quite sweet, I suppose. But
It's quite sweet. There's
that's
hardly,
because
like it says,
the
there's
bitterness has dropped out of
there's
it.
hardly any bitterness. Yeah,
A bit uninspiring, that one, bro.
that sounds even more inspiring than the last one.
No, I won't go that far.
Guess what? We're never going to drink German beer again, I don't think.
I like a good Pils. I do like a proper good-bodied Fulham Pils, but this ain't it. Sorry.
Sorry.
But again, this is solid.
Smells great. It's a
The
nice
smell
good
smells better than what the smell promises more than it delivers, to be honest.
Yeah, there's a nice good, I won't say hoppy smell, but there's a nice like sweet maltiness smell to it. And then when you get it in your mouth,
It's a solid 7 or 8. Again, but it's not a 10. It's not something I'd rush back to go and have another one of.
no,
Unfortunately, we've got 40 pints for it to go and have another one back off, so but, you know, he'll get drunk.
slowly.
Slowly. Oh, he doesn't look happy, does he?
7 out of 10, inspired.
So, beer number 3.
Bit number 3, right, okay. One of my subscribers, thank you very much to Brian, I think Ocadavia his name was, he's given us an idea about redoing beers. Our top 10 out of 10 beers.
Oh, right, okay. Was this one of them?
And this was one of our top 10,
Right, yeah.
10 out of 10 beers.
This is IPA, Indian Pale, American IPA.
This is a Young's kit.
There you go, look.
Get those ready available. Most homebrew supplies. 2 bags of malt extract in there. You do get some dry hops to add. There's
I'll tell you what there is. There is malt extract, barley extract, dextrose, that thing I can never say, hops, hop extract, dried brewing yeast. Hop additions are Simcoe, Sentinel and Chinook. Just bear with me, we've got a dog that wants to come into the Dog and Partridge.
Here he comes. He's in.
It's the older of the dogs and he's in, and he'll be happy.
He's gone for a beer.
Great balance between malt and hops, very fruity with great overtones of pine needles. I like pine needles in my beer, but there you go. With slight herbal character, with a full and lingering dry bitter flavour.
There you go. Hey, that sounds a bit more inspiring, doesn't it?
Sounds more like it, doesn't it?
What are also in this kit, Albro, you probably haven't mentioned there, is you get a big bag of brewing sugar, or the dextrose, as they say.
That's the one I couldn't say properly, but there you go.
There you go.
Look at that.
And if you look at that box again, you'll see in the bottom corner there, it says 6.5% ABV.
Oh, it says approximate 6.5% ABV.
So I've left that bag of brewing sugar out this time, because I didn't particularly want 40 pints of 6.5% beer, because I'm a bit of a wuss, really.
We'll be mullered.
So I left a bag of brewing sugar out. You can do this. It doesn't really matter. You can brew. You can add more water, less water if you want to. If you want a stronger or a weaker beer. So I'm hoping somewhere around about 5% with that beer, so 6.5%.
It's still fairly strong.
Yes.
Right.
I think a bag of sugar has around about 1.5% ABV.
Whoa, that is super light. Yeah.
But it is a long time ago since we've had this beer. We have been making videos now for a good couple of years. We've had most of the Young's range in and on the bar,
It smells fab.
and like Al says, that is Christmas. Isn't
That's
it?
already
That
promising, that is.
That
On
is
the nose,
piney,
that is.
citrusy.
Oh, yes.
That is beer. That is beer festival. We're off to a beer festival this coming week. And
Hello
that
to
is
anybody
beer-
going to PBF next week.
Oh, PBF. Yeah, this is what you want, really, basically.
That's how a good beer festival smells when you enter it.
Yeah.
Just
Full
like
of
that.
hops,
Just
full
like
of
that.
maltiness and goodness and pine and citrus.
He can waffle over them. I'm over a slurp. Oh. There's no wonder we get that 10 out of 10.
There's no wonder, is there? That is a cracking beer.
That delivers. Whereas the other two don't, that
has everything in it. And this is just an old extract kit. So we had a 4-hour brewing kit, a 2-hour brewing kit, and like 10 minutes, there they go. Thank you very much,
and there you go. And that's the best out of 3, which is sometimes how it goes, mate. I know he gets frustrated with that.
Yeah, that is absolutely cracking. Lots of citrus, lots of dryness and bitterness to the back of the tongue. Really dries the mouth out, leaving you lingering and wanting for more of the golden net.
It's a good job it's not 69%, because I could down quite a few of that. And it doesn't taste strong either.
No.
You know, it's
Great.
So often strong beers have that real punchy, hard hitting, and I don't like. But that is fantastic.
Great beer kit, absolutely fantastic. On the market around about $22, $24.95. Try that one out.
That's definitely in our top 10.
That's definitely
10 out of 10.
That's definitely in our top 10. 10 out of 10s. Now, we've had Wherry and Continental Pilsner. I'm going to put them in there as well because, like, with the Wherry, that's really what started me back in brewing.
Yeah, it was.
Because visiting beer festivals, as we started to do, there was a Woodford's bar there one day. Wasn't there?
Oh, yeah, I do like a bit of Woodford's.
And they had the full range of beers. And then, not only that, I saw a Woodford's Wherry in a beer kit. I thought, brilliant, all the beer I've been drinking at a beer festival can be served at my bar.
And this is what happened.
And this is what happened. That's how it all started, so that's got to be in there as well.
Definitely. And the Continental Pilsner, like you said.
Yeah, that's a Pilsner.
That's a proper Pilsner. That's a fantastic beer. Yeah, definitely. Lovely.
Well, join us next time, because if you're not subscribing, please subscribe, because our next edition we're going to include some more from that Dark Rock place. We're going to have some Citra and Top of the Hops IPA. And we've got a new one from people at Brew Store. And it's West Coast IPA.
I can see that one's good at a 6% written on it and all.
The only problem I've got with this IPA, I'm just going to be a bit of a whinge here about IPA, and everybody calling everything IPA. Because it's not, is it?
No, it's just a beer.
It's just a beer. IPA was Indian Pale Ale, beer made in this country to sent out to India to support our troops.
Exactly.
So how can the Americans make a beer to send out to India?
Everybody seems to add the words IPA in a hipster, trendy sort of style sometimes, and it's not needed.
It's not needed. Just come up with something else.
Just
something a bit more original.
Just tell us what the beer is. As simple as that.
Pale ale. You don't need the Indian bit in front of it.
Golden pale ale. It's a dark pale ale. It's
a strong IPA. I mean, a beer sent out to India is supposed to be strong. Like that is 6.5% because it travels better. But yeah. Anyway, that's my whinge over
That's his rant done with. And if he still wants to subscribe, it's over here somewhere. I think we're about 475.
Yeah, we're trying to get to 500, so please subscribe. Tell your mates to subscribe. If you're watching, give us a shout.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly.
That's about it.
That's about it. Until next time, it's goodbye from me.
That's goodbye from him.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.